About to make a very wise life choice right now. How you doing, Jared? Here we go. Oh, my shoes are getting dirty. Oh my gosh, made it!
Oh, and by the way, the animated effects that you see here were made entirely with motionVFX. These are by far the best and easiest plugins that I've ever used. Just drag and drop any one of their plugins to the timeline, change the parameters like font size, color, and whatever animation effect you want, and done. And they've got a wide array of plugin packs to choose from, which is great for someone that doesn't know how to do any motion graphics. So check them out if you're interested, and you can even get 15% off any purchase by using my promo code Sidney15 at checkout. And of course, the link to all of that will be down in the video description below.
There he is. This is my ride? What is this?
Somebody call an Uber?
This is my ride? What's going on?
So last time I was here in San Diego, I wanted to explore Sunset Cliffs because I saw this picture of a really cool cave, and when we got to the cave, it's like high tide, we couldn't get down. But then there was another secret cave that we saw and it looked really cool, and so I want to go back to that spot, and Jared is driving us there.
What's up, guys?
Hey. Also, if you don't know Jared, you totally should follow him. He's a YouTuber, but also you have your own company, right?
My own company, podcast.
Podcast, that's right.
Podcast,
The Hype podcast, I was a guest on it, but that podcast is blown up. Like, you interviewed, like, actually pretty big people, like Pat Flynn,
Sean Cannell, Peter Lindgren, you, of course.
They're way bigger than I am. Donna. So definitely go follow him. But yeah, I'm just kind of chilling right now in my Uber. He's not an Uber driver.
Look left and right, left and right.
Oh, it's over here. There's a little divot area.
Basically, you just gotta traverse your way down over there, and the cave is over there. And when the sun is down low, it'll hit that perfect spot, and it's gonna look really cool. Light shining through a cave. It's a little bit hazy right now, so I don't know if we're gonna get the shot at all. What do you think?
I think we should try.
I think we should try.
Flip-flops are a bad choice.
Did you make a bad life choice? Okay. All right. Let's do this. You know, I'm gonna put an action camera on me. So the plan is to go down there and then hopefully don't hit your head on those rocks over there. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right. We are recording. Got the Insta 360 Go, baby. All right, Jared. I'm going in. I'll leave that there and I'm gonna traverse down. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? Oh my gosh. So far, so good. Oh my gosh. Made it. Just climb down over there. Can't believe I made it in one piece. All right, so there is the cave over there. I don't know if the sun is gonna shine through, but yeah, let's carefully just make our way over. I do have children to look after. High tide today, high tide. There's the, it's the cave! Oh, we found it! Oh, that wasn't sturdy. Oh, that is so cool, man. Again, the sun is not shining through, so I don't know if we can get that golden glow coming out over there. And I guess it's not really a cave, it's more like I don't know, an opening, whatever. But yeah, finally made it to the spot. Oh, wait a minute, look, is that Jared's drone? That's his drone. I made it, I'm alive. Okay, so it looks like the sun is coming through after all. I can see the golden light shining over the waters. So now I'm just gonna go wait, I guess. And since we're waiting, the reason why I wanted to make this video is because I'm changing up my YouTube channel. I need to be more intentional with the content that I make, and I'm actually changing up my schedule, my production schedule. I've been doing a lot of I guess gear reviews, as you know, a lot of brand deals. And last year in November, I made 14 videos in 1 month. That was absolutely crazy. I never want to do that again. I mean, I have the Sony show that I want to focus on and put my effort in. So now I'm going to shift my content where I just make 2 videos a week. And nothing's really set in stone, but here's what I'm thinking. Every Wednesday, I will do a filmmaking tutorial or a camera gear review. And every Saturday or Sunday, depending on how I feel, I'm going to make a vlog. And I love making vlogs. I've missed making vlogs on a regular basis. And so I made a resolution this year to make more vlogs and just to document my life. And that's what I want to do. And I know it won't get a lot of views. I don't think a lot of people like seeing vlogs these days, at least for me. But I want to make these vlogs for me. I love looking back at videos that I've made and just remembering like, oh yeah, that was a fun trip. Or even my film journal series that I would make about my family. Like, we love looking back at those videos ever so often. And so the same thing I want to do with vlogs. I want to make vlogs for me, and hopefully you guys will enjoy them too. I want to invite you into my life because, you know, my life is on YouTube, and so yeah, I'll be making more vlogs. So expect to see tutorials and gear reviews during the week, most likely Wednesdays, and then vlogs on Saturdays. And so there you go. That's a change to my YouTube channel. Ooh, I think the light's coming in. Oh, let's go. Let's grab the shot. Ah! High tide. Okay. High tide. All right, we're gonna head back up now. I think we got the shot. Oh, do not do what I am doing. My goodness.
Okay, we're okay.
Oh. Whew. Okay. Just made it. Miraculously made it. I don't know why I do the things that I do. If my wife is watching this vlog right now, babe, I'm sorry. You did marry me though. Right. How do I get back up? Okay, so I made it. I made it back up. But check this out. I was all the way over there. I climbed down over there like a mountain goat and then traversed through those rocks, shot my shot. I don't know if it turned out all right, but the whole point is that I tried. And like I said before, just making more videos just for me. This little adventure was just for me. I mean, it doesn't really matter if it got the shot or not. Well, I guess it kind of does. But this is something that I wanted to do, and I did it. I did what I set out to do, and that is so cool. So, yeah, it's been fun. Oh, and Jared shot some drone footage of me. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, I didn't know if you were gonna make it back.
I wasn't either. Anyway, that's a wrap for the vlog. Whoa, almost fell down again. That's a wrap for the vlog. We're just gonna hang out, take some photos, and just enjoy this lovely sunset here, the Sunset Cliffs, San Diego. Peace.